Yes. Good morning, students. Again, I am discuss with you the exercise 3.3 and chapter is going on rationals number. In the last lecture, I told you about the how we add and subtract the rationals number. And up to fourth question we have completed. Today I am taking your fifth question of your book. You open your book and your notebook also and write down all the questions in your notebook also. I will see your notebook in the query session. Okay. Your question number, I have completed the 5 questions. Now today I am taking your sixth question. Your sixth question is, listen carefully. The statement is, what rational number should be added to minus 5 upon 12? What rational number should be added to minus 5 upon 12 to get minus 7 upon 8? Which number I have to add? In minus 5 upon 12, which number I have to add? Then I need minus 7 upon 8. The number is not given. The second number is not given. For example, if I am taking a one rational number is 1 and the sum is equal to 3. So what number I should add in 1? If I add 2 in the 1, then I get the 3. So if I let the rational number be x, because x is also written in the form of p upon q. The rational number are those numbers which are written in the form of p upon q. The fraction is also written in the form of p upon q. So I let the rational number, that is x, that is to be added. Let the rational number to be added equal to x. Okay. Now I have to add what rational number should be added to minus 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12 may, if I add x, then the result is minus 7 upon 8. This is the solution of this equation. So if I transpose x को यही लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रहने दिया and I transpose minus 5 upon 12 on the right hand side. This is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. If I transpose minus 5 upon 12 on the right hand side, the sign become change. Minus become plus and plus become minus. Always when we are transposing anything from left to right and right to left, then the sign are change. So when I transpose minus 5 upon 12 on the right hand side, then the sign become, this is minus 5 upon 12. Now it become plus 5 upon 12. Now I have to take the LCM first, because these numbers have a different denominator. This denominator minus 7 upon 8, the denominator is 8, and in this rational number the denominator is 12. So we have to take the LCM of 8 and 12. 8 और 12 का LCM when we are taking, 2 4 जा 8, 2 6 जा 12, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6. Now these 2 and 3 are not divisible by the same number. So we will multiply all these number and we get the LCM. 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 3 जा 24. Now your LCM is 24. Now how we add these two numbers? First we have to divide 24 by 8. You will get, when you divide 24 by 8, you will get 8 3s are 24. By dividing with the denominator and you get the quotient, and the quotient came in the question, you have to multiply with it the denominator. So 24 divided by 8, it is equal to 3. So when minus 7 is multiplied by 3, you will get minus 21. Now the plus sign is given. Again, you have to divide 24 by 12. You will get 2. 24 divided by 12, you will get 2. And 5 is multiplied by 2. So the answer is minus 21. When you multiply minus 7 with 3, you will get minus 21 plus 5 to 10 upon 24. And when you subtract, one integer is given in the negative form and the another integer is given in the positive form, you have to subtract the integer, and before the result, you have to put the sign, the number which is greater. Your greater integer is minus 21. So 21 subtract from 10, the result is 11, and you have to put the sign minus here, because before the greater integer minus is given, negative sign is given. So also you have to put here negative sign. So this is the answer of this question. I am repeating again this question. Please listen carefully. Your question is, what rational number should be added to minus 5 upon 12? What thing we have to add? Minus 5 upon 12 may, if we are adding x, then the result is minus 7 upon 8. And I told you, the things which are transposing left to right and right to left, the sign are changed. So if minus 5 upon 12 are shifted to the right hand side, the sign become changed. Here the minus sign is given, it become now plus. So you take the LCM of 8 and 12, it is equal to 24. And by solving this question, you will get the value minus 11 upon 24. So the question is, now your answer is, if you add minus 11 upon 24 to minus 5 upon 12, you get the result minus 7 upon 8. This is the answer of this question. Note down this question in your notebook. Now your next question is, see the next question. Your question number 7 is, now in the question it is given, what rational number should be subtract from? What rational number should we subtract from, in which we have to subtract, the rational number is given minus 2 upon 3. To get the result minus 5 upon 6. The number is not given. For example, I am taking this question. The question is, the number, for example, what number I subtract from? I subtract from 3, the result is equal to 2. Then I have to subtract 1 from 3. So this is the same question. हम इस नंबर में से minus 2 upon 3 में से which number we subtract? The result is minus 5 upon 6. Now we have to let the rational number. What is the rational number? The number which is written in the form of P upon Q. So you let the rational number be subtracted. हम ऐसा कौन सा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करें minus 2 upon 3 में to get the result minus 5 upon 6. So I let the rational number, that is x. And if I subtract minus 2 upon 3 यहाँ पर here it is given in the question from, so I have to write it first, from which it is subtracted minus 2 upon 3. So if I subtract minus 2 upon 3, x from minus 2 upon 3, the result is minus 5 upon 6. First, you have to write this equation, then you have to solve this. Now your x is given in the negative form. So how it become positive? You transpose on the right hand side. I told you in the last question also, if you transpose any number on the left to right, the sign are changed. So when you transpose minus x on the right hand side, this is your right hand side and this is your left hand side. So if you transpose minus x on the right hand side, it become plus. And if you transpose minus 5 upon 6 on the left hand side, it also, the sign is also changed. It become minus convert into plus. Again, I am repeating this part. When you transpose minus x on the right hand side, it become plus x. And if you transpose minus 5 upon 6 on the left hand side, it become plus 5 upon 6. Okay. Here the plus sign is given. Okay. So how you will add these two integer now? कैसे add करोगे two rationals number को? This is not integer, this is a rational number. You have to take the LCM. If you are taking the LCM of 3 and 6, because 6 is divisible by 3, 6 is the greater number. So 3 is the factor of 6. So I directly take the LCM 6. When you take here 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, the LCM is also equal to 6. Okay. Now you divide 6 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. You have to multiply it with the numerator. 3 2 ja 6. Minus 2 is multiplied by plus 2. And here the given is sign plus. And if you divide 6 by 6, the result is 1. And you have to multiply 5 with 1. Now minus 2 multiplied by 2, it is equal to minus 4 plus 5 upon 6. And when you subtract minus 4 from 5, the result is 1 upon 6. So what rational number we have to subtract? 1 upon 6. When we subtract it from minus 2 upon 3, the result is equal to minus 5 upon 6. Okay. When you are subtracting anything from any rational number, when the word from is written, then you have to write that rational number in the starting, and which rational number I have to subtract. I put the sign here, negative sign I will put here, and the rational number I let it x. And the result is given in the question minus 5 upon 6. When you transpose minus x on the right hand side, it become plus, and minus 5 upon 6 on the left hand side, it become, sign will change, minus become plus. Now you will take the LCM and solve the question. Minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6, it is equal to 1 upon 6. I hope you understand. Now our next topic in the rational number is addition and subtraction is over now. Now our next topic in the rational number is how to multiply the rational number and how to divide the rational number. Already in the fraction chapter, I already told you how to divide and how to multiply the rational number. But again, I am telling you how to find the product, how to multiply the rational number. Product also means multiplication. Do the multiplication. Find the product. Question number 8 hai. Now your first question is 2 upon 3 into minus 7 upon 8. When you have to multiply with the rational number, first thing you have to observe the number which is cancelled. which is reduced in the reducing form, which is changed into the, which is convert into the reduced form, you have to convert these number, and in the cross you have to check, and in the numerator and denominator, if they are cancel, you have to cancel it. So you will check 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Now you have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. When you multiply 1 with minus 7 and 3 with plus 4, you will get the answer 3 4 ja 12. Minus 7 upon 12 is the answer of this question. Now second part you will do it yourself, and third part I am doing here. Minus 2 upon 9 into minus 5. Now minus 5, numerator is given but denominator is not given, so you will put here the sign, you will put in place of denominator plus 1. So no one is in the, you can change it into the reduced form, so you multiply numerator with numerator. Minus 2 multiply with minus 5 and denominator with the denominator. Minus, when you multiply minus with minus, it become plus. So 2 5 ja 10 and 9 1 ja 9. This is the answer of this question. One more question I am doing, fifth part. Fourth you will do it yourself. 8 upon 35 into 21 upon minus 32. You see in the cross which number are cancelled, and in the upper and lower part which number are cancelled. So these number are cancelled. 32 is divisible by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32. Minus sign is given here, so we'll put in place of minus 32. You will get 8 4 ja 32 and minus 4 sign you will put here. 7 3 ja 21, 7 5 ja 35. Now no one is cancelled here, so you will multiply 1 with 3 and 5 with minus 4. You will get the result 3 1 ja 3, 5 4 ja 20 and minus sign. Minus sign you will put here. When you multiply plus with minus, you will get the negative sign. And if you multiply minus with plus, also you get the minus sign. And when you multiply plus with plus, you get the positive sign. Okay, you note down this symbol also, how you multiply the symbol, plus with minus, minus with plus, positive with positive, and the negative with negative. When you multiply negative with negative, you get positive. When you multiply positive with positive, you also get positive. But when you multiply, one sign is plus, one is negative, the result is negative. But when you multiply minus with plus, you also get the negative. So you have to learn this symbol also, and how you solve this question of multiplication of rational number. This is the method. If any number is reduced in the lowest term, first you have to convert it into the lowest term, then you have to multiply the rationals number. Now our second part is find the value. Now how we divide the rational number. Our next question is about the division. How to divide the rational number. In the last chapter, I already told you how to divide the fraction. Same is here, how to divide the rational number. Before division of the rational number, you have to first convert division into the multiply. For example, I am writing here 1 by 2 divide by 2 by 3, 3 by 2. How you will divide? First, you have to convert divide into the multiply and take the reciprocal of this number. The reciprocal of 3 upon 2. When you are taking the reciprocal, numerator become the denominator and denominator become the numerator. This is your numerator, this is your denominator. When you take the reciprocal reciprocal of 3 upon 2, it is equal to 2 upon 3, because this is 3 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Now 2 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. Reciprocal matlab reverse ho jana, ulta ho jana. So when you are taking the reciprocal of 3 upon 2, it become 2 upon 3. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So when you multiply 1 with 1, you get 1. When you multiply 1 with 3, you get the result 3. So the rule of division of rational number is same as apply in the fractional number. How to divide the fraction number. So the question number 9, find the value of you have to find the value. First question is given minus 6 divided by 2 upon 5. You have to divide minus 6 by 2 upon 5. First, you have to convert the divide sign. This is the division sign. You have to convert the division sign into multiply. You have to convert the division sign into multiply. Then you have to take the reciprocal of 2 upon 5. The reciprocal of 2 upon 5, that is equal to 5 upon 2. It is the reverse of 2 upon 5. 5 upon 2 is the reversible of 2 upon 5. So when you cancel 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6, minus sign also you have to put here. Now you multiply minus 3 with 5. When you multiply minus 3 with 5, you will get the result 3 5 ja 15. And the sign you will put here, negative sign you have to put here. Okay. Again, I am repeating. First, converting the division into the multiply, you have to take the reciprocal of the next number. Okay. Not this number. Okay. You have to take the reciprocal of 2 upon 5. That is equal to 5 upon 2. So by cancelling minus 6 by 2, you will get minus 3. And when you multiply minus 3 with 5, you will get the result minus 15. Okay. Now your third part is, second part you will solve it yourself, because all the questions are same. You have some question you have to do the self practice also. Now third question I am doing here, minus 65 upon 14. This is the rational number, divided by 13 upon minus 7. Okay. So which rational number you have given? Minus 65 upon 14 divided by 13 upon minus 7. When you convert divide into the multiply, when you have to convert divide into the multiply, reciprocal, the number which you have to take the reciprocal, 13 upon minus 7, it becomes minus 7 upon 13. Denominator become the numerator and numerator become the denominator. In this question, which things you have to change here? First, divide change into the multiply. Divide को किसमें change किया? Multiply में. Then you have to take the reciprocal of your next number. After the division, you have to take the reciprocal of 13 upon minus 7. So the reciprocal of 13 upon minus 7, that is equal to minus 7 upon 13. Then you have to check the number which are cancelled with each other. So 13 1 ja 13, 13 5 ja 65, and minus also you have to put before the before 5. Okay. And 7 1 ja 7, minus 1, and 7 2 ja 14. Because minus 7 is given here, so I put the sign minus 1. Now you have to multiply minus 5 with minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. So it is equal to minus. When you multiply minus with minus, it becomes plus. So 5 1 ja 5 and 2 1 ja 2. You can convert 5 upon 2 into the mixed fraction also. आप इसको mixed fraction में भी you can change it. 2 2s are 4. Subtract 4 from 5 and you change it into the, first you write down the quotient, then you have to write down the remainder, then you have to write the divisor. So the answer is 2 is to 1 upon 2. I hope all of the question you understand very well. Now I am doing your fifth part of question number 9th, fifth part. Fourth part you will do it yourself. Fifth part is minus 48 upon 49 divided by 72 upon minus 35. The reciprocal you have to take after the divide sign. First you have to convert the divide into the, change the divide into the multiply. You have to change the divide into the multiply sign. Okay. Now you have to take the reciprocal of 72 upon minus 35. It become minus 35 upon 72. And this rational number remains the same. There is no change in this rational number before the division. Okay. You cannot change before the division of any rational number. You have to convert the rational number into the reciprocal after the division. First convert the division into the multiply and then take the reciprocal of 72 upon minus 35. Now you have to convert this number into the reduced form. The number which are cancelled. 7 5 ja 35 and minus sign you will put here. 7 7 ja 49. The same table it is divisible. And this is divisible. 12 4 ja 48 or 12 6 ja 72. And again it is divisible. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. You can directly also you can divide it by the 24 because 48 and 72 these are directly divisible by the 24 also. But first you have to divide it by the lowest number. I divide it by the 12. 12 4 ja 48 minus sign you will put here again 12 6 ja 72. Okay, again you have to divide it by the 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now you have to divide minus 2 with minus 5 and 7 with the 3. And you get the, you have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. You will get the result. Minus को minus से multiply किया, it become plus and 2 5 ja 10 and 7 3 ja 21. Now this is your proper fraction. This is not your improper fraction. And you cannot change the proper fraction into the mixed fraction. You cannot change the proper fraction into the mixed fraction. Improper fraction can be changed into the mix, but this is the improper fraction. Here the numerator is greater than its denominator. But in this question, your numerator is less than its denominator. So it is the proper fraction. You cannot change into the mixed fraction. This is the answer 10 upon 21. You can do this question by cancelling like this also. Minus 48 upon 49 minus 35 upon 72. आप इस क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से भी कर सकते हो. 24 2 जा 42, 24 3 ja 72, 7 5 ja 35, 7 7 ja 49. And when you multiply minus 2 with minus 5 and 7 with 3, you will get the same result plus 10 upon 21. You can solve this question by like this also. Okay. Directly you can divide it by the 24 also, and indirectly I divide it by 2 times. First I divide it by 12, then I divide it by 2. Okay. I hope you understand all these questions. Now your question number 10 is Sixth part, you will solve it yourself. Now your next question is question number 10. Now you have given in the statement the product of two rationals number. The product of two rationals numbers is 18 upon 35. Now you have given the product. In the fifth or sixth question, you have given the sum of the rational number. Now in this question, you have given the product. दो नंबर को multiply you have given. जैसे for example, 2 को when we are multiply with 3, the result is 6. And you have given the product here, okay, of two numbers. And the one of them, one number is minus 2 upon 5. And you have to find the other number. Other number you have to find. You have to find. So I let other number be x. For example, if I am taking the product of two rational number is given 6 and one number is given 2 and other number is not given. So I let the other number be x. And how I get the other rational number? By dividing 6 by 2, I will get the other number. Okay. If you have given the product and we have to find the one number is given, how we find the other number? By dividing, we find the other number. The same question is here. You have given two rational number and one number is given minus 2 upon 5 and other number is given x. So product of two number is given 18 upon 35. What things you have to given in the question? Product. Product means multiplication of two numbers. Okay? Multiplication of two numbers. Multiplications of two numbers, that is given 18 upon 35. Yeah, I have written here 18 upon 35. Now one number is given minus 2 upon 5. And if I transpose of the multiply with any number on the right hand side, then it becomes divide on the right hand side. In the addition and subtraction, when we are transposing anything on the right or left, it becomes the sign will change. Plus change into the minus, minus change into the plus. But sorry, when minus is given, what you will do? When the minus sign is given, you have when multiply sign is given, what will you do? You have to divide it by the minus 2 upon 5. Now you have to change. You have to convert divide into multiply and take the first the reciprocal of minus 2 upon 5. That is equal to 5 upon minus 2. Now cancel 35 with 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35. And 2 1 is 2 and 2 9 is 18. So 9 1 is 9. Or when you multiply 7 with minus 1, you will get the result minus 7. So if I want to take the result, the other number be 9 upon 7, minus 7. The other number be minus you can put on the numerator also by multiplying with the minus 1 and minus 1. So minus 9 upon 7. You will change it into the mixed fraction, that is equal to when you divide 9 by 7, 7 1 ja 7, you will get the result minus 1:2/7. Again, I am repeating this question because in this question you have given the product of two rational number. The product matlab multiplication is given here. Okay, multiplication is given here 6 and you have given in the question 18/35. I let with the example. You have given the product 6 and one number is given 2. How you will get the another number? By dividing it by 2. 6 when divided by 2, you will get the result 3. अगर हमें किसी नंबर को प्रोडक्ट गिवन है और अगर हमें किसी नंबर को फाइंड करना है, एक नंबर दे रखा है, तो बाय डिवाइडिंग द प्रोडक्ट बाय द वन नंबर you will get the other number. So in this question you have given the product is 18/35 and one number is given minus 2/5. So when you divide it 18/35 divided by minus 2/5, you will get the result. You have to take the reciprocal minus 2/5, that is equal to 5/-2, and convert the divide into the multiply. Okay, by cancelling 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. Here minus sign is given, so you have to put here minus. And 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35. Answer is 9/-7. If the denominator is given in the negative form, you have to change it into the positive form by multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number, -1 and -1. You will get the result minus 9/7. Now you have to convert it into the mixed fraction. The answer is minus 1:2/7. I hope this question is also clear to you. Now in the next question, question number 11th, you have to find the value of the first part is given in the bracket 13/21 divided by 39/42, and in the second bracket you have given minus 3/5, and before the bracket you have sign is given multiply. First you have to solve this bracket, and in the bracket you have given the sign divide here. Which sign is given here? Divide sign is given here. So first you have to convert divide into the multiply sign. Convert divide sign into the multiply. And you have to take the reciprocal